Well, finally getting around to tour a Durango. Had a ton of requests for it, but haven't been able to really find one till now. At Quinn's Coming in Cars in Monroe, North Carolina. This is a 2000 SLT. It's going to be a full in-depth tour, startup, engine shot. Pretty much everything you'd like to see on the Durango. So, without further ado, we'll go ahead and start it up and let it run. This is a very clean truck. Got your wood accents, chrome door handles, power windows, power locks, power everything. The seats are like brand new too, I can tell. Just have a manual rear adjuster. But we'll get back to the tour in just a second. And I apologize for the noise, I'm right next to the highway. 117,824 miles. Adjust this back up. Automatic driver's side window. Go ahead and turn the headlights and the indicators on. This is a Magnum V8. Kind of low on gas, we'll go ahead and shut her off. And cut the power back on. I'll check out the radio and stuff. Power mirrors. Need that heat for days like this.
Follow the most watched Olympic Games in U.S. Give me the girl that the rest of the world ain't lucky enough to know.
AM/FM cassette CD. It is the Infinity stereo. Probably can just barely see that. Your four-wheel drive system, cup holders. rear window defroster. You got your wiper. Embroidered headrests. The leather and interior color is really nice. Offsets the green pretty good. Let's have the third seat. It's a tiny rear seat, but pretty good for small children. Your power outlet. This one's a full manual seat. Very nice. Well, there you go. Hope you all enjoyed. Till next time.